Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer Etrade money to bank account, updated. Start by signing in and choosing accounts, then select transfer funds and add external bank. Enter your bank routing and account numbers, pick a verification method, and confirm. Keep your bank app open for instant login or check microdeposits for verification. After linking, initiate a transfer under transfer funds, choose amount, and confirm the estimated arrival time. To move money out, go to Transfer Funds and pick Withdraw from Etrade, then select your linked bank. Enter the amount you want to send and review the estimated arrival time and any transfer limits that apply. Confirm the transfer and note any holds that may affect timing, especially around weekends or bank holidays. Keep confirmation details and check your bank app for the incoming transaction to verify completion. If this guide is helping, please subscribe and like to support more clear walkthroughs. Quick recommendation. Honestly, go darn tough for socks that actually last. They come with a lifetime warranty and tough durability that pairs well with long days at the desk managing transfers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want comfort while handling money, they are a solid pick. Now let's get back to the video. Timing matters. Standard ACH transfers usually take 1 to 3 business days, so plan around that window. If you need faster access, consider instant transfer options, which may charge a fee and have lower limits. Always check Etrade processing cutoffs and your bank's inbound policies to avoid unexpected delays. Save receipts and confirmation numbers until funds appear, and contact support promptly if a transfer seems delayed or missing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.